Hello guys, and welcome back to the second episode of Cursed Locomotives of the United States. I know it's been ages, and today we'll be reviewing the PRR, or Pennsylvania Railroad, Class GG1 electric locomotive. These locomotives were built between 1934 and 1943, and a total of 139 of these locomotives were produced. Their configuration, or UIC, is a 2-code or 2C plus C2, also known as a white 460 plus 0640E, or OE, whatever that's. Its gauge is the standard gauge, 4 foot 8.5 inches, or 1.435 millimeters. No, 1,435. Sorry. Its leading diameter is 36 inches. Its driver diameter is 57 inches. And its wheelbase is a rigid 13 feet 8 inches. Overall, the wheelbase is 69 feet and 0 inches, and its length is 79 feet 6 inches. Over cupola facing, and a width of 10 feet 4 inches, which is standard for the US, and height of 15 feet 0 inches. Over lockdown pantographs. The adhesive weight of this locomotive is 303,000 pounds, or 137,000 kilograms. This is just enough for it not to derail when pulling passenger coaches. There's a fuel capacity of 3,000 pounds, 1,360 kilograms, or 424 United States gallons, 1,610 litres, also known as 353 imperial gallons. Oil for train heating. Water cap is 23,000 pounds, 10,400 kilograms, or 2,760 United States gallons. That is also equal for oil, water cap, still for train heating, 10,450 litres, or 2,300 imperial gallons. Electric systems are 11 to 13.5 kilovolts, 25 Hz AC from overhead catenary, also known as very good catenary. Oh, that means 1,000. Well, that's actually quite a lot. It has dual pantographs with a 12 times GEA 627A1 traction motor with 385 horsepower. Its transmission is alternating current, fed via 22 position transformer tap changer head to traction motors geared to a quill drive, and its train heating is one oil-fired 4,500 pounds per hour steam generator. Its maximum speed is 100 miles per hour for passenger services, and freight is 90 miles per hour. Power output is continuous, 4,620 horsepower, 3,450 kilowatts. Short duration, 8,500 horsepower, 6,300 kilowatts at 65 miles per hour, 105 kilometers per hour. 105 kilometers per hour, sorry. Its tractive effort is 65,500 lbf. Not sure what that means, but I'm assuming something with pounds in weight, not like to do with money. And then 291,000 newtons, I'm assuming, or I'm not sure what kN is. So it's 1 newton kilogram, kind of, and then pound force. Nice. That's something I didn't know. It was operated by Pennsylvania Railroad, Penn Central, Conrail, Amtrak, New Jersey Transit, and it was locally run on the Northeast Corridor. It first ran on January 28, 1935, and its last run was on October 29, 1983. 16 were preserved, 1 was formerly preserved, remainder was scrapped. Although it's built between 2 companies apparently, from what it says here, and both were delivered to the Pennsylvania route. And it did have long service life. But anyways, that will be the video for today. I'm sorry that wasn't a longer one. This is the only one I can create around 8 o'clock at night. There will be another one coming tomorrow, so it might be a very nice one. Who knows? Might be Train to Lot 5. I'm not going to give you any spoilers. I'm not. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you very much and goodbye.